Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 5 2026. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. Today we are going to do Bangladesh and Global Studies, Chapter 1, Task or Lesson 1, Climate Change. The chapter is about climate change. Task 1, Climate Change and its Socioeconomic Impacts. Here is an activity. A. Let's observe the pictures above and write what is happening in the pictures. Here is one. So this picture. In this picture, we can write, it is a stormy night with lots of lightning in the sky. Now picture 2. Here is the picture 2. Picture 2. A student has fallen down on the road and a friend is helping him near the school. Now picture 3. Here is the picture 3. We can write, a farmer is standing in a dry field. The land is cracked because there is drought. And last, picture 4. We can write, people are walking through a flooded street to go to school or home. Going to the next page, here are some texts. First box, the sky will be sunny tomorrow morning, the wind will remain calm, the sky will be cloudy in the afternoon, and there may be rain at night. This is a weather forecast for the next day. The average temperature, rainfall, and humidity of a particular place for a short time is called weather. So you can highlight this one. Okay. Sorry. The average temperature, rainfall, and humidity of a particular place for a short time is called weather. Then, usually, climate is measured by observing the weather patterns of a region over 30 to 35 years. If we review the long-term weather patterns, it can be seen that in Bangladesh, it rains in June-July and the humidity in the year is high. It is cold during the months of December and January and the humidity in the year remains low. This is the climate overview. The long-term average of year temperature, rainfall, and humidity of a place is called climate. You can underline this. Climate change is happening for different reasons, but man-made causes are making it faster. One of the major causes of climate change is the excessive use of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas. In addition, smoke from factories, vehicles, air conditioners, and refrigerators, big kilns, deforestation, etc. are notable. Due to these reasons, the temperature of the earth is increasing. With the melting of the ice at both poles, the sea level is rising. Disasters such as flood, drought, cyclones, tidal surge, and landslides are seen in different regions. As a result, nature, wildlife, human life, and resources are facing huge damages. As the sea level rises, salt water gets into the agricultural land near coastal areas, causing damages. Due to less rainfall and excessive use of water, the groundwater level is decreasing. As a result, crop fields are drying up. The risk of disasters grows as climate change increases. If sea levels rises, some areas may permanently go underwater. Food security can be at risk. We might face the lack of pure drinking water. Next page. Activity B. Let's complete the following mind map mentioning the causes of climate change. Causes of climate change. 1. Using too much fossil fuels. 2. Cutting down trees and forests. 3. Smoke coming from factories and brick kilns. Smoke from cars and other vehicles. Using air conditioners and refrigerators. Too much carbon dioxide in the air. Activity C. Let's read the text on the previous page and make a list of the areas affected by climate change. 1. Sea level. 2. Agriculture. 3. Nature and wildlife. 4. Food and water. D. Human health and safety. Now activity D. Let's read the text on the previous page and write the socioeconomic impacts of climate change. Here's the answer. Resources, plants and animals are facing big losses. As sea levels rise, salt water enters farms near the coast and ruins the soil. Because it rains less and we use too much water, the level of water underground is going down, making crop fields dry. People face more dangers from disasters like floods, droughts, and cyclones. It may become hard to find enough food and clean water to drink. If sea levels keep rising, some areas might stay underwater forever and people will lose their places to live. So that's all for today, dear students. We will do the rest in next video. So till then, stay safe, stay well. Allah Hafiz.